Now that you've made your design and it's here in your projects, or it's on your screen, or it's in your downloads down here, you need to get it turned in. So in order to do that, like I had asked you to do, you download the project. If you haven't done that and you're on this screen, you can go to here and you can download the project. I chose mine to be a PNG, so mine's down in my downloads as a PNG. On today's post, there is a link right here. I always list the today. Here's what you need to do. This slideshow, sorry, my husband's doing a meeting in the background. This slideshow will open up a Google slideshow. You have editing rights in this slideshow, which means you can add, you can move things around, you can type. Be careful, though, that you don't accidentally delete or edit somebody else's slide. Keep in mind that I have history of everything that's happening in here, so I can see who's doing that, but ideally, I just need to see a new slide. You click here, and you add your name, period, whatever period you're in, so that just to make it easier for me. And then you can leave this text box, or you can just delete it by hitting backspace or delete. And you're going to insert, upload from your computer. So it should be in your downloads. You should see it just like so. And when you double click it, it pops in. So this is really just like your portfolio. You should be able to just insert it just like so. At this time, I'm not asking that you type anything. You just pop that in so I can see what you guys have done. And if you do that, as I said on the post here, by noon this Friday, you'll get credit for today's class. So that's what's going to happen on Monday. If you guys have any questions, shoot me an email, and I will answer that today. Thanks, guys.